Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.